Wait. Boom. I gotta see this. I don't know the chorus. I mean, I don't know this part here.
Hell yeah.
Okay, this is the chorus.
I didn't know it.
Yeah, it's so hot. Well, I can't hear it. Everybody be quiet. Alright, that's all I know.
That looked good, dude.
You forgot the. I don't know this part.
Oh my god, you look like Tay-Yang. Keep doing it. Tay-Yang.
No, you look like the guy that does the dance.
Dude, you could be kicking off.
Thank you.
It's okay, he's a thing.
I don't know this part.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Why did you stop me?
Swing your arms. Hey, I'm a Rhino dancer.
Yakuza go-go dancer.
He's the most guy running up the dancer.
I'm
tired. Okay.
Bro, he's not going.
It's really awesome. Yes,
What a stud.
Taste. You forgot the ring. Carnival. I know.
Yanku's concert.
Go birthday boy. Ah, dude. I'm dizzy, yo. Alright, Rashad, that's it, dude.